So in this Tangerine Bank tutorial, I will be showing you how to pay bills on the Tangerine Bank app. So once the app's opened up, I want you guys to go to the bottom right and press on the Move Money icon. Once you're here, right in the middle, it says Pay Bills. You guessed it, select that. Now, in order to pay some bills right here, you have to have a Tangerine Bank checking account opened up. So make sure that you go to the bottom here, open up a checking account. Then once that is done here, you can go to the Pay Bills tab right here, selecting money from your checking accounts, and then paying bills accordingly. So once again, move money, pay bills in the middle, and then you can go ahead that way. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That's how you guys can pay bills on the Tangerine Bank app. Thanks again for watching, and hope this helps.